If there's one thing that Japan does well, it's food. I fancied something different, so I'm actually going to eat some pizza. So it's taken me to this place called Bird Pizza, or Pizza Bird, something like that. And basically the place is kind of like really hip, and it's kind of raw and simple, minimalistic, but with a little bit of an edge. If there's one thing that Japan does well, it's food. And it doesn't matter what type of food, but they do it well. If the pizza is anything as good as what the place looks like, then I'm in for a feast and for a treat. Okay, so I'm gonna try the pizza. So far, it's like incredibly light. Looks like this. Oh, I got the meat lovers. It's really hot. The base is fluffy and light, and there's like a crunch. They gave me a menu in English, like a simplified menu in English, and they also gave me a menu in Japanese, which I thought was quite cool, because if you know a little bit of Japanese, you can kind of just skim over the top, and you might be able to work out more or less what some of the other things in the menu might be. Yeah. So, itadakimasu. Really good. Interesting thing that you'll find when you come to Japanese restaurants is how it's all about hygiene and cleanliness, and even putting your bag on the floor. Most restaurants, most cafes, they might have like a box for you to put your bag in the box so that your bag doesn't actually touch the floor, which is something that I've never seen in Europe anyway. Maybe you have, but I've never seen anything like that in Europe, and I think it's a great idea. So anyway, this has been just a very quick video about eating other kinds of cuisines in Japan. Have you ever had food in Japan that's been better than its native country? Interesting. Anyway, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notifications bell if you want to keep up to date. See you soon. Bye.